I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and this is a look at my Ecos Hypoallergenic and Plant-Powered Laundry Detergent. So this is a great detergent if you're looking for something that's made with plants, that's going to have no fragrances, it is free and clear, and also is going to have very limited artificial and chemical ingredients. So they have on here a thing, what it's made without: dyes, formaldehyde, phthalates, all that kind of stuff. It's not animal tested, so it's very eco-friendly. And it is compatible, though, with high-efficiency washers, which is important because most people are using those these days. It's also made in the United States, which is great to see. Comes in this, again, this bottle that sort of emphasizes the fact that there's not a lot of extra ingredients in there. It's almost see-through, sort of a little bit opaque. And then we can go ahead and open this up. And I find that this works really well. It's good for gray water systems in particular. I use it because I have a gray water system in my house. And you can use it just like you would any other laundry detergent. So we'll take this, I'm going to pour it into the dispenser on my washer here. And again, just use it, part for part like you would. So there we go, it's loaded up. And go ahead and close this up. Run this, again, just like you would any other load of laundry. You don't have to do anything really differently. And this is going to do a great job of cleaning. I find that it's maybe not quite as effective as some other, cleaners that have more like surfactants and things like that for certain tough stains. So I'll still use a pre-treater for those kinds of stains. But as your basic laundry detergent, again, if you're looking for something that's eco-friendly, really simple ingredients, totally scent-free, I love that. Because I don't really like to have a lot of fragrances in my washer, and is using a lot of plant-based ingredients. Plus, I like that the fact that it's made in the United States. It's also a majority female-owned company, which is awesome too. So check it out. This is Ecos Plant-Powered Laundry Detergent.